Hello, hello, hello. How are you? It's Alan here from Compass Media, and I just wanted to jump on. As I said in the title, a little quick hack for your headline. Yes, indeed. So I have a little quick hack, and just wanted to share it with you. And if you are interested, the little hack. I'm not going to mess around here. I want to show you. I want to tell you about a little hack that you can use for your headline. So that's the text on your profile, on your personal profile. Very, very cool little trick that you can use. So normally on your personal profile, you will have a number of characters that you can use for your headline. So this is where I'm talking about here. As you can see, here is mine. It has digital marketer, digital marketing and social media consultant, keynote speaker, LinkedIn trainer, podcasters, helping you to break through the noise with social media. Okay, marketing, social marketing. Yes, indeed, and that's exactly what we're talking about here, guys. This normally you would only have 160 characters to put in here on desktop. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit more on mine, and you might say to yourself, well, how did he get that and I didn't? Well, it's a simple hack. If you go to your mobile or your cell phone, you can actually go in and edit your profile on mobile, and it will give you 200 characters. Okay, so instead of it just giving you 160, it gives you 200. So it's a quick and easy little hack. So how do you find it? Yes, indeed. Well, as I said, normally on desktop, you would click on the little pencil tool and you would go in there, and then that's where you would put in your headline. But if you go to your mobile and if you go to your profile and then click on edit profile, you will see the actual headline text in the actual area, and then all you have to do is edit it and add in. You have an extra 40 characters there that you can add in. Now, the one thing I will say to you is when you're doing it, and I've spoke about this before, is that when you are putting in your text, what I would always suggest you to do is to make sure that it is keyword rich. Okay, so i.e. what people are going to search for on LinkedIn for you. Okay, so there's no point in putting in something like, I don't know, I like tennis, right? Okay, because you won't get any reaction for that. So the idea is put in keywords that people are going to search for. So if your industry is social media, like mine is, I always will put in social media consultant. So if someone's coming on searching on LinkedIn for social media consultant, I'm going to show up in that search. So very, very important little hack just to make sure. And also, this also works for Google. And you might say to yourself, Google, LinkedIn, Google, LinkedIn. Yes, indeed. It is proven that people will search on Google for keywords with regards to professions. Okay, and what they do is they will, when they search and when they click that search button, your name will come up in that search from your LinkedIn profile. So important information to always remember that it is also for Google as well. So make sure it's SEO'd. Okay. So guys, I hope this is of benefit to you. It's a very, very quick jump on, tell you a little bit of a tip, and hopefully this will help you. If you want to find out more information about LinkedIn, or you want some training, or you are looking to learn more about how you can develop your LinkedIn strategy, why not get in contact with me? You can email me at alan@compassmedia.ie, or you can send me a DM here on LinkedIn as well. Always happy to chat and see how we can help you. So guys, as I said, quick, easy hack. If you want to extend your headline text, all you have to do is go to your mobile phone, click on the LinkedIn app, click on edit your profile, and go in there and edit the headline text as well, the headline banner. All right, that's where you find it. So you can add in an extra 40 odd characters. Well worth thinking about, and because it gives you more opportunity for people to find you on LinkedIn. But use the relevant keywords to your industry or what you want to be found for on LinkedIn. Okay. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Always remember, it's Alan Hennessy from Compass Media with more LinkedIn logic. All righty. Talk to you soon. Bye.